Alright, hello. Here's the solution video for operations with integers. I'm not going to do this the long way. We're going to just look at our coefficients. We have more negatives than we have positives, so I know the answer is going to be negative. How many more negatives do we have? I have 4 more negative b's than I have positive b's. Over here, again, looking at the coefficients, we have -2 and we have -7. So we have a whole bunch of negatives. Altogether, we have 9 negative s's. Now, this is multiplication. We know this because it's implied with the parentheses. So a negative and another negative, remember you just turn that one vertically, equals a positive. So 5 times 7 is 35. So we have 35p. And of course, you don't have to write the positive sign on that since it stands alone. All right, down to number 4. We have our coefficient again, a 4 and a 12. So they're only positive. Add them together and we will have 16 positives. So it will be 16m. Down here we have a positive 9n and a -3n. So we have more positives than negatives, so it will be a positive answer. How many more positives do we have? We have 6 more positives than we have negatives. Again, we're going to go ahead and multiply. So we simply say, this is distributive property. 4 times 10 is 40. So we have 40 x's. So that's 4 groups of 10x. We have a -7 and a -8. So altogether we have 15 negatives. Multiplication, 1 negative, 1 positive. So that will stay a negative because we don't have another to go vertically. So remember, that's the rule. If you only have an odd number, you have negative. So 8 times 6 is 48p. Here we have 17 is our coefficient of the first e, and -25 is the coefficient of the second e. We have more negatives than positives. So we simply have to ask, how many more negatives do we have? Well, that would be, what, 8? 8 more negatives. And multiplication again. Remember, the rule is different than addition and subtraction. A negative times a positive equals a negative. 9 times 7 is 63, and then nothing times the f is still f. And there you have it.